The progressive work in Gatishil Gujarat. Kautilya, the ancient great leading economist, explained the duties of the king. He suggested that after the sunset, the king should devote his 1.5 hours to listen to the problems of the people. The kings dedicated to the people used to host the public forum to solve the problems of the people. Similarly, the government has been concerned for the Gir jungle of Junagadh and was taking all the possible actions to benefit the community called Maldari residing in the jungle. In that reference, during the visit of Honorary Chief Minister to this area, she showed her concern for this community people. Responding to the concern of CM, District Collector ensured respected CM that he will take all necessary measures that these people get the benefits lacking. Collector initiated the rounds of visits to these Maldari people of forest area with all concerned department and prepared a master plan. The collector held the series of meetings in forest area itself with Assistant Collector Mendeda, Tehsildar, Forest Department Gir West, DCF of Sasan, DRDA, Health, Education, Social Welfare, Agriculture, Animal Husbandry, Tehsil and District Panchayat, Sakhi Mandal of Mission Mangalam, various banks and other respective officers from line departments, and made various teams for the mission to benefit the Maldari community. These teams were given targets and the specific route to visit the Ness, the home of this community people. The administration has ensured that the all eligible government schemes reach to the doorstep of these people. After the hard toil of 1 month and confirming that all beneficiaries are covered, the district collector invited CM Madam to visit the forest and the program to hand over these benefits to the Maldari community people. Benefits Maldari community people received: BPL cards, Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, Prime Minister Bima Suraksha Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Aadhaar card, Epic card, Antyodaya card, Ma card, Ma Vatsalya card, Vriddha pension, Vidhva pension, Vidhva Sahay, U-Win card, Sakhi Mandal, Pashu Mandal, Rashtriya Khadya Suraksha, Take Home Ration, Anganwadi for children, Agriculture and Cattle subsidy, Drinking water facility, etc. All these activities were started with the direct supervision of Collector Junagadh. More than 1,000 persons were benefited with all these government facilities in just a month. Furthermore, to these facilities, with the special request of Collector Junagadh, Gujarat Cancer and Research Institute examined the cancer in Maldari community people, and the team of doctors of BJ Medical College Ahmedabad examined the overall health of Maldari community people. Not only that, but during the day, all departmental makeshift stalls were set up to provide information and knowledge about schemes to Maldari people and give the on-the-spot benefits of the schemes if not reached. This is the best example of the progressive work of Gatishil Gujarat. The commitment of respected Chief Minister to the people of Gir Forest area was fulfilled by the extensive organizational work of Junagadh administration, and it was made possible to benefit the people in the remote area of Junagadh Gir. The Chief Minister of Gujarat appreciated the work done by the administration of Junagadh and to implement same model in other area of the state. Collector ensured the Honorary CM and Maldari people that the committed team of Junagadh administration will keep serving the society the same way. Gujarati Gatishi.